Hi guys, this is Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video I want to show you how you can create a landing page for Clickbank. Yes, in this case we are going to create the landing page using GetResponse because I think this is the best all-in-one marketing tool and it's cheap, and you can get a 30-day free trial for making landing pages either for Clickbank or for any other purpose. Yes. Now, if you want more affiliate marketing content, more make money online ideas, and just obviously hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so that you obviously get notified when I release a new video. And well, just stay until the end so that you fully watch me go from A to Z for building a landing page for Clickbank. Yes, so make sure to stay until the end. So guys, here we are. Let's get into the video, and we are going to build a landing page from A to Z for a Clickbank product. So in case this, so I want to obviously warn you, if you are here to create a landing page just for another purpose, just don't watch this video, because this is specifically designed for people who want to make landing pages for Clickbank offers. Yes, so if you want to, this is if you are an affiliate and want to promote, let's say, I don't know, the 12-minute affiliate program, the keto cure. There are a lot of products here on Clickbank you can start promoting. The Lepitox program, the Cinderella solutions, which is very popular here on Clickbank. So this video is specifically purposed for some of you guys who want to promote Clickbank products through Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other ad network out there. Yes, so why do we make a landing page for promoting a product, and why won't we just direct link to the product? Because obviously these ad networks like Facebook, Google, they don't allow you to direct link through the ad to the actual offer through your affiliate link, because that is actually considered spamming. Yes, so that's why you aren't allowed that, and this is why all affiliate marketers build landing pages for these ad networks, so as to not get banned, so on, and obviously to get traffic to the offers and obviously make commissions. Yes, so I'm going to now create the landing page. I'm going to create a landing page for the Cinderella solution. So what I really recommend you for creating a landing page is obviously to build a land to first choose a product, and even before entering the sales page of the product is to go to the affiliate page. The affiliate page is a page which the affiliate page is a resource page, yes, full of tools for the affiliate to use in the promotions, just as email swipes, images, banners. Let's enter to the affiliate page so that you can see what I mean. So here I went to the Facebook ad kit. So they have landing pages, like for example for ClickFunnels, which is another funnel building software, which I'm not going to use because I prefer GetResponse because it's cheaper and I think it's easier to use than ClickFunnels. Either way, ClickFunnels is also a very easy tool to use. They give you Facebook ad images for your ads on Facebook. They give you the copy, so the words to put in the ad on Facebook, and they also give you email swipe. So they give you a lot of resources. So first, even before looking the sales page, go to the affiliate JV page, the affiliate resource page that the vendor gives you, so that you can use the images and obviously put it in the landing page, all these resources that they are giving you. So now we are going to the sales page so as to look how the sales page looks. Yes, now even before we start making the landing page, I really recommend you to install this Chrome extension, which is called Color Pick Eyedropper. Yes, why? Because it's really important when you create a landing page that you have the same colors as the sales page, so as to have some congruency. So when the person looks at your landing page and then they go to the sales page, they go through this funnel where there seems like they didn't go to any other web page. So as let's say if I go from this page to this page, or let's say if I go from this page to this page, I will suspect that something is wrong, because you take me from a page that looked very different to another page which is looking a lot different than the page before. So the key for building a landing page, a good landing page, is to have congruency with the colors and the font. Yes. So in order to create a landing page with GetResponse, very easy. First, you will have to go to the description. I have a 30-day free trial for GetResponse, which you can cancel anytime. And once you create your account, you will have to go to here to quick actions and create a landing page. I really like to build my landing pages from scratch, so I don't like choosing a template, an already made template. Sometimes I will, it depends on the product. I will go build from scratch, and they give you templates for building something from scratch on GetResponse. In this case, I'm going to use the video because I'm going to do a screenshot. I will take a screenshot of this video and paste it on the landing page, so that when they click the video, they get redirected to the offer. And I'm also going to put above, I'm going to put, below the video, a button which says watch now, so that obviously when they click either the video or the button, they get redirected to this offer page. Yes. So once you enter the landing page creator, you will first have to remove this. You will have to the email form and the name form. I just remove them, and what I'll do is just obviously also remove the brand logo, or you can what you can do is just copy the logo. If the sales page has a logo, just screenshot it and paste it on the landing page. In this case, I will remove the logo, and I will just write a descriptive headline. So I persuade the reader to play the video, as the title says. It's exactly what the headline is for. So now what I'll do is just copy the background here. This is why this tool is really useful, because it gives you the exact same color they're using for their backgrounds and for their letters. In this case, I'm going to do the same for this one. So they have now the sidebars have the exact same colors as these sidebars. Yes, and I'm going to obviously put the same color as this white on this one. Okay, and I will put this. I will put like something like a free video reveals, so that they know that it's a video that will show them how the method works. Free video reveals female fat loss code missed by the modern medicine and using a two-step ritual. That's what I'll use. I will put the same thing here, and obviously I will lower the font, the letter font, so that it's not that big. Yes, like that. And I will try to match the font that they are using. I don't know what font they are using, but let me obviously first match the color they are using. In this case, this is a red color, but I want to match it exactly. I will copy the code, go here, and just paste the exact same code, and there you go. Now, as you can see, this doesn't look exactly the same as the page, as the sales page is looking. So obviously, what I'll do is I'll copy. For example, I will put a button, a red button here, or a button which has this color, the orange color. So I will put a button here below, and I will put the same color as this one. And I will put some shades, something along the lines of that, and I will make the font bigger. I will remove this shadow color, and I will put something like that. I will remove this section and I will put the terms and conditions, because what you want to do is to add the terms and conditions, the disclaimer, and the privacy policy, obviously, because Facebook, if you don't put that, they will ban you. Yes, so you have to put something like, so you'll have to put something along the lines of this, this site, just put it on the middle so it looks prettier, and obviously try to lower the font so at least looks like a very true disclaimer. And then I will include the terms of service on a very little font, and the disclaimer and privacy policy, and just then you will have to put the exact same links of the terms of service on that is on the landing page. Just go to, well, here it's in Spanish, but here it says copy the direction of the URL. Just copy the direction of the URL. Just put the same on the terms of service. Then go to do the same with the disclaimer. And do the same with the privacy policy. Yes. So this way you are going to prevent Facebook from banning your ad, and obviously banning your ad account if something goes wrong with your ad and they don't accept it. Yes. By this you are going to make sure that Facebook, yes, the ad is and the landing page is good with the privacy policies of Facebook, and obviously you are not violating any rule of Facebook ads. Yes, so that's why we are going to do this. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some final touches to it. I'm going to add the exact same font and add the screenshot of the I'm going to add the screenshot of the video, so that it's the exact same video, and I will just put I will put my affiliate link here on the video and on the button and on the video. Yes, so I'll be back in a minute. So I have finished the landing page. In this case, this is the closest font I found to this font. Obviously, it's not exactly the same. But what I'll do now is I shall add the affiliate link to the button and to the video. Yes, to the video image. So the image that is the screenshot of the video. Yes. So I'll grab the affiliate link and just copy to this one. Just put a link to this one here to web address. Obviously always put open in a new window so that it opens to the one who's watching in a new tab. Oh, and I forgot. So here I put the affiliate link, open in a new window, and I will put the same font as this one, and there it is. And obviously you want to optimize it for mobile. You have to click the mobile icon and put OK, let's go mobile, and it will create a mobile version of your landing page. You can edit it and obviously make this a little smaller because it will be watched on mobile. And yeah, there you go. That's how you build a landing page. Let's preview it so that you see how it works and if your links are just working. And yeah, if you click the button, watch the video, and yeah, and the best part of it is that this is GetResponse is a free seemingly way you can start doing for creating landing page, because they have a 30-day free trial. you can start using. This is a month worth of creating landing page, which you can obviously have the return of investments if your campaign on Clickbank goes well and it's profitable for you, and you can create thousands of free landing pages with GetResponse. Yes, I will leave the GetResponse link in the description. Hope this video helped you to make a landing page for Clickbank offers. And yeah, this is all for this video. Make sure to watch all of my videos. I give you obviously insightful tips on how to succeed with affiliate marketing, as well as this video. And yeah, I'm going to see you till next video.